ಮಳೆ ಶುರುವಾಯ್ತು. ಮಾತು ಶುರುವಾಗ್ಲಿ.
Wait for it. A huge look at that. Crazy. Good morning. My shoes is all wet and you can see I tried to actually dry it a bit. So this is actually today we're riding to Yamtang and 0 point. 0 point I'm not sure whether you can ride or not, but I'll try. Since the shoes is wet, I actually put all this newspapers. It's got wet, but still like most part of the shoes is still wet, and it's not waterproof anymore. I think it's did its years, I guess, more than 2 years or something. So what I'm doing now is, yesterday I did one trash bag, wear it on top of the socks, and I'm wearing one more trash bag today, so that at least the water doesn't wet the socks. The plan is to reach Yamtang and then come back and then go back to Gangtok. So that's the plan. And since it's like I'm again layering up everything like I did for the Gurdongmar, I'm really happy with this frost from Voyatera. Riding jacket is probably useless here, except for the safety, since this is a mesh jacket, but the layer actually, it really kept me warm. Like I never felt even bit of a cold actually. And same with the pant as well. The Rhinox Advento pant which I'm wearing, it did came with the winter liner, so I was wearing that, and even that actually did an amazing job, and I didn't really feel cold at all at any place. Okay, bike is all layered up. I mean, I'm all layered up. Not bike is all warmed up. I just started for a while. My bike is all set. I need to do my chain. Probably I'll do it once I come back. And I think how much petrol I have. Okay, half the tank, so I need to fill up. What a beautiful landscape. So beautiful. It looks so amazing. Look at this here. And look at this here. And here. My baby is here. Oh, my one of baby is here. Other baby is not. She's all pissed off when she sees the photos. Look at this. Man, I can't love mountains enough. I don't know how much stop I'll take. I think too much stops. I don't know why I love mountains so much. That's why you've probably seen me a lot of time wandering in the Western Ghats. And I even get a message one time from someone saying like, why do you always go to mountains? It's boring. why don't you do vlogs like other motovloggers? I'm like, I don't know, man. This is what I love. This is what I love to go. This is where I love to go, and that's where I'll end up. What a beautiful place on earth. It's probably hot as fucking Bangalore and Mangalore. Look here. Look here. Oh. Water droplets. It's melting now. Ice is melting, and I don't know, because of the sun I'm also getting sweat with this jacket. I guess the frost, I'm wearing it inside. My shoes going to get wet again. I can't do anything. Going and coming. I'm riding slow because I don't want my feet to get wet again. This is a bit slippery. There is ice on road, it's usually slippery. I'm hoping this will clear by the time I come back. Another 6 more kilometers. So it's better if you are coming to this place with a friend. Usually helps whenever fucking hell. Ride with my feet up. नहीं वो टिल वेयर
कौन सा?
आई थिंक वहीं तक जा सकते हैं.
नहीं आराम से निकल जाएगी. निकल आ रहा है तो इधर से चले जाएगा. हाँ इधर से चले जाएगा. ऊपर उधर खराब हो जाएगा.
चलो देखते हैं. KTM. हेलो, ये नहीं होगा.
শুভম আমাদের বহুত স্কিট করছে. তোর অস্ত্র আস্তে আস্তে আস্তে. দাঁড়া 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 দাঁড়া. ওই যে ফেল দিয়েছি.
टीचर होगा टीचर.
আমাদের অনেক স্কিট করছে.
विल वेट, इन लोग क्लियर करते जाएंगे.
ক্লিয়ার হওয়ার পর তারপরে
नहीं, प्रॉब्लम है कि मेरा टायर है ना पूरा बाल्ड है. आई सपोज टू चेंज.
हाँ हम लोग का भी पूरा स्ट्रीट टायर है.
ये नहीं होगा देखो. दिस शुड बी. ये थोड़ा ओके बट इज नॉट
आप
दिस.
थोड़ा फॉग लाइट बंद कर दीजिए. बैटरी.
ओह या शिट, आई फॉरगॉट आई स्विच इट ऑन.
नो प्रॉब्लम.
Okay, finally we started moving. can't overtake here. Though it's all like breezed here, I mean because of the sun I guess it's kind of okay, like nice pleasant weather. My hands are not getting freezed, and I was wearing the winter jacket inside. Even I removed that because I was getting hot. I am guessing all looks better from here onwards. Let's see. We are here as Yumtang Valley of Flowers. Here I am, Yamtang. Oh, this is it, is it? Yamtang. Lot of taxis here. Even if you miss, like had some issues or something happens, you can always like dump the bike and hop onto a taxi, and like if there is a space, a lot of people, like 2-3 people travel together. Oh shit, it was recording. Nevertheless, this is beautiful. I'm not going to walk all that way. I think that's up there is a viewpoint. Okay, I have come all the way here. Anyway, further is actually it's about I mean the valley is nice, but it's all slippery now from here onwards, so I'll turn back. Don't get any grip on the shoes also, and even a slight slide I'll be off the rails because I can't handle this weight of this bike, especially with all these gears. And I have all the way to go back to Yamtang as well, so I'll be pretty late. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. Beautiful. It was beautiful valley here down. Oh, awesome. I went all the way up to that edge there, and from there I think they'll allow only till there, and from then you have to come back. There's a lot of crowd there, so I actually came back. And I found some nice spot for the photo. Here is nice, and I think I got to go all the way down there. I'm late. Let's get back. And to my luck, started raining here as well, so I go for all the rain gears. And this has become a monsoon ride for me. I never thought I'll get so much rain here actually. Crazy. Okay, this is all the battery I have. It's also snowstorm. There is a okay, now it's rain, but a little while there is also snow. Anyway, let's try it. Look. Snowstorm! Yay! Yeah, that's over. Yeah, let me ride. I'll probably freeze to death if I stay anymore here. My hands are freezing. I'll warm up a bit. We have a instant heater. Just when I think can't get any better, look at this. Crazy. Waterfall all the way to the top. Looks massive. Crazy. That's the Lachung town. So because of the snow, I removed a little bit of the air from the tires. So now front is done. So that's one of the trick. Like if you are, if there is a snow or something, then you can reduce the tire pressure, but only if you have a pump. If you are carrying. I just found out this thing broke. Okay, I've reached the hotel. I think I reached around 6, 7, almost 7. I think it was all dark. Okay, that's it, and this is the end of the log. So I hope you guys liked it. So the next episode probably doing the Natula and everything. Yeah, wait for that as well. Yeah, bye bye.